Welcome to Farming Aid. Shine and Rice. Today we gonna dig how to start a successful poultry farm. A poultry farm can be a rewarding and profitable venture if done right. Whether you want to raise chickens for meat or eggs, success depends on proper planning, the right infrastructure, and effective management. In this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to know, from selecting the best poultry breeds to setting up housing, feeding, and disease prevention. Whether you're a beginner or looking to scale up, these expert tips will help you avoid common mistakes and maximize your farm's potential. Stay tuned to learn how to build a thriving poultry business from the ground up. Starting a poultry farm can be a highly profitable venture if approached with the right knowledge, planning, and commitment. Poultry farming involves raising domesticated birds such as chickens, turkeys, ducks, and geese for meat or egg production. Among these, chicken farming is the most popular due to the high demand for poultry meat and eggs. A successful poultry farm requires careful planning, a good understanding of market dynamics, appropriate infrastructure, and effective management practices. This comprehensive guide covers all the essential steps to start and run a profitable poultry business. Understanding poultry farming. Before diving into poultry farming, it is essential to understand the basics. Poultry farming generally falls into two main categories: broiler farming and layer farming. Broilers are raised for meat production and typically reach market weight within 5 to 8 weeks. Layers, on the other hand, are raised for egg production and start laying eggs at around 18 to 20 weeks of age. There are also other forms of poultry farming, such as free-range or organic poultry farming, where birds are allowed to roam freely and are fed organic diets. Understanding the type of poultry farm you want to establish will determine the necessary investment, management practices, and target market. Conducting market research. A successful poultry farm must align with market demand. Conducting market research helps identify the potential customers, competition, and pricing strategies in your area. Understanding consumer preferences, whether for eggs, fresh poultry meat, or processed poultry products, is crucial. You also need to analyze factors such as feed availability, disease risks, and local regulations. Researching the market will help you decide on the scale of operation, the type of birds to rear, and the best marketing strategy to adopt. Choosing the right location. The location of your poultry farm plays a critical role in its success. The ideal poultry farm should be in an area with easy access to transportation, feed suppliers, water, and electricity. The site should also be far from residential areas to prevent noise complaints and health risks. A well-drained location with proper ventilation will help maintain a healthy environment for the birds. Additionally, the farm should comply with local zoning and biosecurity regulations. An isolated location reduces the risk of disease transmission from neighboring farms. Developing a business plan. A poultry farm requires a well-structured business plan outlining the investment cost, operational costs, projected income, and marketing strategy. A good business plan includes sections such as the executive summary, market analysis, farm setup costs, production plans, sales strategy, and financial projections. This document serves as a roadmap for your business and is essential when seeking funding from investors or financial institutions. It helps set realistic goals and provides a framework for tracking progress. Selecting the right poultry breed. Choosing the right breed of poultry is crucial for maximizing productivity and profitability. Different breeds have varying growth rates, disease resistance, and egg-laying capacity. For broiler farming, fast-growing breeds such as Cobb 500 and Ross 308 are popular due to their high meat yield. For layer farming, breeds such as ISA Brown and Leghorn are known for their high egg production. The choice of breed should align with your business objectives, market demand, and climatic conditions. Hybrid breeds often perform better than indigenous breeds in commercial farming due to their enhanced productivity. Constructing the poultry house. The poultry house is one of the most critical aspects of poultry farming. It must provide comfort, proper ventilation, and protection from predators and harsh weather conditions. The poultry house should be spacious enough to prevent overcrowding, which can lead to stress and disease outbreaks. Proper ventilation ensures fresh air circulation, while adequate lighting promotes healthy growth and egg production. Different housing systems include deep litter, cage systems, and free-range setups. The choice of housing depends on the type of poultry farming and available capital. Feeding and nutrition management. Poultry birds require a balanced diet to grow efficiently and remain healthy. The right feed contains proteins, carbohydrates, vitamins, minerals, and water. Broilers need high-protein feed to achieve rapid growth, while layers require calcium-rich diets to enhance egg production. The three main types of poultry feed include starter feed, for chicks, grower feed, for young birds, and finisher feed, for broilers close to market weight. Providing clean water at all times is essential to prevent dehydration and heat stress. High-quality feed contributes to better productivity and profitability. Disease management and biosecurity. Disease outbreaks can be devastating to poultry farms, leading to massive losses. Maintaining strict biosecurity measures helps prevent disease transmission. Proper sanitation, regular vaccination, and controlled farm access are critical to disease prevention. Common poultry diseases include Newcastle disease, avian influenza, coccidiosis, and infectious bronchitis. Regular veterinary checkups and prompt isolation of sick birds help control disease spread. Maintaining a clean environment, disinfecting equipment, and ensuring proper waste disposal reduce the risk of infections. Reproduction and egg collection. For layer farms, efficient egg collection and proper handling are essential for maintaining quality. Hens should have access to clean, well-maintained nesting boxes. Eggs should be collected frequently to prevent breakage and contamination. Proper storage in a cool, dry place extends shelf life. If running a breeding farm, ensuring good mating ratios and monitoring fertility rates improve hatchability. Incubators are used in large-scale farms to hatch eggs efficiently. Record keeping helps track production rates and identify any declines in egg production. Marketing and sales strategy. A solid marketing strategy ensures steady income from poultry products. Identifying target customers, whether supermarkets, restaurants, wholesalers, or individual consumers, helps in positioning the business. Selling directly to consumers can maximize profits, while partnerships with retailers provide consistent demand. Branding, packaging, and online marketing enhance visibility and attract more buyers. Offering home delivery services and maintaining quality standards can give a competitive edge. Market research helps adjust pricing and production levels based on demand fluctuations. Financial management and profitability. Managing finances effectively determines the success of a poultry farm. Keeping accurate records of expenses, sales, and profits helps track performance. Understanding production costs, including feed, medication, labor, and utilities, allows for proper pricing and budgeting. Profitability depends on reducing mortality rates, optimizing feed conversion, and minimizing wastage. Investing in cost-effective production methods, such as bulk feed purchases and energy-efficient equipment, increases profit margins. Regular financial analysis helps identify areas for improvement and ensures business sustainability. Scaling up the poultry business. Once the poultry farm becomes profitable, scaling up operations increases revenue. Expanding poultry houses, increasing flock size, and diversifying poultry products, such as processed meat, organic eggs, or poultry manure sales, create new income streams. Automating certain processes, such as feed distribution and egg collection, enhances efficiency. Forming partnerships with suppliers and distributors expands market reach. A gradual expansion strategy ensures financial stability and minimizes risks. Overcoming challenges in poultry farming. Like any business, poultry farming comes with challenges. Common challenges include disease outbreaks, high feed costs, market fluctuations, and competition. Having contingency plans, such as alternative feed sources and insurance coverage, helps mitigate risks. Staying updated with industry trends, networking with other farmers, and continuous learning improve problem-solving skills. Government support programs and agricultural training workshops provide valuable insights for overcoming challenges. Sustainable and eco-friendly practices. Adopting sustainable poultry farming practices benefits both the environment and profitability. Efficient waste management, such as converting poultry droppings into organic fertilizer, reduces pollution and creates additional income. Using renewable energy sources, such as solar-powered incubators, lowers electricity costs. Practicing integrated farming, where poultry farming is combined with crop cultivation, optimizes resource utilization. Reducing antibiotic usage and following ethical farming practices improve product quality and consumer trust. Starting a successful poultry farm takes planning, dedication, and smart management. By choosing the right breed, providing proper housing, ensuring good nutrition, and maintaining strict biosecurity, you can build a profitable and sustainable business. Poultry farming offers great opportunities, but success depends on continuous learning and adapting to market demands. If you follow these steps, stay committed, and implement best practices, your farm can thrive. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more farming tips. Drop your questions in the comments, and we'll be happy to help. See you in the next video.